Oh my god, guys. You don't know what just happened. Okay, so I was at school and then an earthquake happened. My couch is perfect. Anyways, an earthquake happened while I was at school. It was for like 1 second, and my teacher thought it was like a really strong wind, because it's winter, it's raining, but it shook the school. So I didn't think that. And then like maybe a minute or two later, the announcements came on. And they were like, to confirm, this was an earthquake. And we were like, like, yeah. Anyways, so you know what they say, either you go into flight, fight, or freeze mode? Well, at that time, I was going into fight mode. I was going to fight the earthquake. No, not really. But I mean, I was kind of in flight mode at the same time in fight mode, because I would have ran outside and started fighting the earthquake, because, I mean, like, why not? So, anyways, yeah. It's almost 4 o'clock. Why do my teeth look like that? Why are my teeth so giant? Anyways, I guess so. Oh, by the way, guys, if you were in Canada, tell me. I think it was all. I don't know. Is an earthquake all around the world, or is it like? I think it's all around the world. I think it's all around the world, because that's why it's called an earthquake. I wonder what causes an earthquake. Like, is it like? Guys, what do the birds do when an earthquake happens? Do they fly back? What happens to the trees? I was kind of hoping that was a tornado. No, never mind. I want that to be like a longer earthquake because it was cool. But I think our school would have fallen down because our school is like really old. My school's like really old. They say it's 100 years old, but I think it got renovated or something. I don't know. I don't think it's 100 years old. But there are reviews from it from like, they're 5 stars, I think. But there's like reviews from 5-6 years ago. So yeah, guys. Why don't I want to end this video? Bro, at the same time, we were talking about like our brains. When something happens, you just have to stay calm. And then as soon as the earthquake happens, everybody started going like not crazy, but not calm. They just started yapping something. And then me and my friend, we were beside each other. I was like, wow, nice. I was like, to my friend, I was like, do you know the flight, or freeze mode? And then I was like, no. And then he was like, yeah. And then I was like, well, I'm about to go into fight mode. I don't know why. I just always want to fight like earthquakes. When we did earthquake drills, I didn't actually think that one would happen until now. Like, what is the chance of an earthquake happening in Canada? Or at least where we live. I wish I was at home. I want to see how our house was like. There's a pillow on the floor, but that's because I punched it on the floor. That wasn't because of the earthquake. Okay, I'm gonna go play FIFA now. Bye!